Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the first day in June the 1st, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars. And the binary, yes, it's time for the binary, boys and girls. Binary number 4637. 4637. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, oh, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, yeah, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Need to compare. Let me see. Can I compare this row? 1, 0, 0, 1. No. Double O, double 1. We have double O, double O, double 1 here. Yeah, this row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box. 0, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Yes, only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.